So you might be trying to figure out how you can make your Google Pixel phone charge faster. Now, this is a pretty basic process and it really doesn't take too much time. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and first see if you can actually get a faster charger for your device. So if you have a standard USB-C charger and it's plugged into like a very slow outlet into the wall, well, it doesn't really matter what you're going to do. It's probably going to end up being a pretty slow charger. So if you have a faster charger, go ahead and plug it in. That'll be the best thing you can probably do. Now, another thing you can try doing is if you still have a slow charger or whatever the case is, you can actually go through and essentially completely power down your phone when you're charging your device. So just go through, like you can see right here, and click on the little power off button when you're charging your phone. You would be surprised at how effective just powering off your phone and charging it at the same time actually is. And I've been in lots and lots of situations before, not recently, but before, where my phone would die and I would have to charge it as quickly as possible, and literally turning off your phone and completely powering it off and then basically just using your phone that way is actually a super effective thing, and I would highly recommend doing that. Powering off your phone, plugging it in, charging it up, and that might be another thing you can do to actually fix this, to actually make your Google Pixel charge faster. Another thing is if it's still not working or if it's very slow, you may just want to again maybe try seeing if you can go through and update your phone. Sometimes a random update can push out a bug fix if there was a slow charger or whatever the case is. So make your way over to your system settings of your Android phone, click on system update, and go and try updating your phone. And for a lot of people out there, that might end up fixing the problem too, and that's probably all you're going to have to do in this specific situation. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.